It's 5:10 in the morning. I have 3 hours till my flight. My mom and my brother are still sleeping. Canada. Here we come. To the airport with my mom. My brother went to go park the car, so we're waiting for him. After that, we're gonna get on this little bus and off to the airport, and then to Canada. Party bus to go to the airport. Party, mommy. Party. He's low-key partying back there. Thank you, man. At DFW, I was getting a shot, so my family is all the way up there in the head. Thank you. Take care.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
For a layover. 5 more minutes till we board for New York. Can't wait. In Buffalo, 15 minutes early. Thank you, sir. Good night. Where do you want to have dinner tonight? Russell's. They put stickers on the TV saying where the shuttles are for each one. So I'm here at the airport of Buffalo, and I found this mysterious device. I have no idea what it does. I think you pick it up, but it doesn't have a touchpad. I just met her. I forgot her name.
I don't have a name.
Even when she likes food. I like food. That's all that matters. This is the chaos. That's the director. I'm gonna guess she's assistant director. His name is Sadpayo. That's my brother. You drink that water, boy. You drink it. Is it good? Oh, it's so good. So fresh and so clean.